Chapter 1, verse 2.
All praise is due to Allah.
Allah, the Exalted, is the one who is praised by his self-praise and by the praise of his creation. This also means that Allah, the Exalted, is the one who praises his righteous servants and handsomely rewards them for their efforts. The Muslim who understands this divine name will be far too busy in praising and obeying Allah, the Exalted, to praise themselves and to worry about their rights. In addition, the fact that Allah, the Exalted, has praised himself clearly indicates that he does not need anyone to praise him. He is completely independent of the creation while the creation are in desperate and constant need of him and his blessings. These can be obtained by sincerely praising him. Remembering this facts will keep a Muslim away from pride, which is a characteristic that leads to hell. This is confirmed in a narration found in Sahih Muslim, number 265. A Muslim must act on this divine name by only performing praiseworthy actions and adopting a praiseworthy character. This is arguably the greatest tradition of the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him. Chapter 68, verse 4.
And indeed, you are of a great moral character.